Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create UI headlines with perfect tracking in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a medium width canvas for a web banner. First I type a headline using a clean sans serif font. Then I highlight the text and access the character panel to adjust tracking evenly. After that I test wider tracking for a modern and airy look. Now I apply layer styles like inner glow and soft drop shadow for subtle emphasis. Next I duplicate the layer and compare with tighter tracking for compact layouts. Then I check alignment using guides to ensure letters appear evenly spaced. After this, I fine-tune tracking in combination with font weight adjustments. Now I zoom out to confirm readability and aesthetic balance.